Momentum was created as a vibrant accent to dance and play within the emerald jewel box of the Pittsburgh Botanic Garden. The Skynet Series was born from a feeling, something I experienced when watching birds murmurate or fish move in synchronized schools. There's a collective rhythm and wonder in that motion, and I wanted to capture that sense of awe in my work. I'm also drawn to natural phenomenon and the challenge of working in unique site-specific environments. These large-scale, wind-driven kinetic installations connect people not only to the space around them, but to the atmosphere itself and our shared connection to the natural world. Each of these Skynets is unique and site-specific, but what takes this one and makes it special is the fact that it's 4 unique pieces floating above the pond that are interconnected, allowing them to be choreographed and animated together, playing off each other as they float above the pond, low and reflecting, and then rising up to carry themselves on the wind. And that just is something we've never done before and something that's really worked out well. I'm really proud of Momentum, and I'm truly honored to receive this CODAaward for this piece this year.